ikli lang pala ng video na to.
Teaser nga, di ba?
Yes. Sobrang ikli at sobrang excited ako. Ano? And also the hair. Can we appreciate that for a second? Yung buhok nila is styled so well. And I can hear the bass. If subtle but strong, add a nice layer to the sound. Narinig mo?
Yeah.
And super seriously, I'm excited to hear the full song.
Yeah.
We'll definitely keep an eye on this. Something to watch out for sure. O nga, overall thoughts na tayo. Ayan, nabubulol ako. Sobrang naiklian ako and sobrang excited ako. And,
Ay, ano ba?
sige,
Ikaw na
mauna ka na kasi kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Yeah.
That's the teaser for One Bet You Never.
Ano na?
Oo, I bet
You never.
you never.
Yes.
Yeah.
I bet you never.
Yeah. By fourth intact is already explosive. And it's just the teaser pa lang ah. It really
Ganda.
sounds like a party anthem. It even reminds me a bit of the song like a G6. Alam mo yon? Kasi sa beat. But just to be clear I'm not saying they copied it. Music is universal. And it's natural for some parts to sound similar to other songs. At nangyayari talaga yun, di ba? Sa outfits naman tayo, they all look stunning. Gaganda nila. The clothes were colorful, at even their hair matched the vibrant theme. They really prepared for this. Almira even got a haircut, and it totally bagay to her. Napasin ko, uso ngayon, yung maikli talaga mga buhok ng mga girls. And it totally bagay talaga sa kay Almira. I also feel like this song will have a dance break. Definitely looking forward to the full release. I'm sure they'll perform this sa darating nila na concert. That's why I'm giving them a solid 100 in my rating.
Para sa akin. So far, I'm super impressed. The visuals are colorful and vibrant. The outfits are stylish and on point. And their facial expression fierce and confident. Even the hair is styled perfectly. I'm also noticed nga yung bass. It gives the song more depth. Overall, this performance looks super promising. And I'm really excited to hear the full version. We'll definitely be watching out for this one. 1 to 100, it's 100.